Hello everybody. Allez, c'est parti, hein, on va reprendre. Je sais pas, je pense que je suis vers la fin, je pense quand même. C'est parti. Alors. En tout cas, il n'y a plus du tout de mission de police. Je m'en souvenais pas, je pensais qu'il y en avait jusqu'au bout. Défi rapide. Rage au volant aussi, j'ai pas fait. Ah bah ça va, c'est pas très loin. Ça c'est cool. On va appeler notre petite voiture. Faudrait peut-être que j'aille acheter des voitures aussi. Quoique... Même. Ok, c'est quoi? C'est encore l'hôpital? Non, c'est pas l'hôpital. C'était là où on était acheté les fleurs, non?
I don't mind you fucking her. It's one of the perks. But she has to understand the consequences if she disappoints me. Are we clear?
Of course, Sonny.
You're not getting attached, are you? A man of your caliber?
You don't need to worry about that.
I hope not. Wait, come in. Have a drink. You ever fucked some famous pussy, Way?
Not yet. Maybe one day.
It's a trip, man, let me tell you. You drive by one of those billboards the size of a building, and you tell yourself, I'm going to her place, bend her over the table, and then you do it. There's no other feeling like it.
Yeah, okay. Speaking of stars, I need to go pick up Vivian.
Let Wade do it. You and I have more business to discuss. How about it, Wade? Think you can handle a smoking hot starlet for the day?
Sure. You know, as long as Ricky doesn't think I'm moving in on his territory.
Nah, of course not. Here, take my car.
You take good care of my little starlet. Go ahead and fuck her if you want. Just don't damage the goods.
On est où là? On parle de femmes ou de voitures là? On est où? C'est pas possible. Oh, elle est bien ta voiture, Ricky. Ça a frôlé, hein.
Who are you?
I'm Way. Ricky sent me. Didn't he tell you?
No, I was expecting Ricky.
Everything okay?
Everything is not okay. Is it wrong of me to want to see my boyfriend? Why do I have to put up with this?
No, Vivi, it's not wrong. And you put up with it because Ricky loves you. But
But what?
since your boyfriend isn't driving, I get to sit in front. Why are the bad ones always so good looking? I'm Sandra. What's your name again?
It's Way. Ricky talks about him a lot.
Oh, all nice things, I'm sure. And you're here to basically do whatever we want?
Something like that. What do you have in mind?
Do you have steady hands at high speed?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I can provide references if you like.
Are you trying to talk him into one of those street races you always go
On
on
va faire une
about?
course? On va faire une course? On va faire une course. Trop bien.
So what's the deal, Way? You a gangster like Ricky?
He's not.
Ah, t'arrêtes pas de parler, c'est bon, j'ai frôlé la voiture.
Let's say I'm as much of a gangster as Ricky.
That's too bad. Recently I've wanted to date a gangster.
Well, maybe I'll see if I can find one for you.
that would be nice. What's Ricky doing anyways? Why is he too busy?
I don't know. Something with Sonny.
Sonny? That guy's a creep and a perv. Sorry, baby.
It's okay.
What? What'd he do?
Nothing.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait, le bâtard?
That's him. Pull up. Hi, Alex. How are you?
Huh. This is your new boyfriend?
Not yet. Why? Are you jealous?
Of this guy?
Hey, so Sandra says you like to race. How about it? Now, if you win, I'll let you take the girls home.
Way?
I'm not sure how much that's worth. Okay. We race for the girls and
Mais
the
ça va pas.
100,000.
Comment ça, on mise
I'll
les
take your
filles
money
et puis
too.
quoi
You
encore?
racing with the girls in your car? The extra weight will slow you down, idiot.
Think of it as your head start, Alex. Because you're gonna need it.
Think of it as your head start. 呢條粉腸你唔好帶我啊 I'll show him.
This is gonna be great. All right. Vivi and I won't talk.
Let's go. Pourquoi je me mange tout le temps les poteaux? Il y a un poteau, je me le mange. C'est quoi cette musique de merde? C'est mieux ça, non?
Oh my god, my phone is being so fast. Is that the police? I
Mais
don't
non.
want to be arrested, but I could be really bad.
Mais non, mais non. C'est plus simple quand la caméra elle est plus au-dessus. Je savais qu'elle allait m'énerver celle-là.
You are out of control. I like it.
Facile.
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
Wait.
Steady hands. Gotta give you that.
Thanks.
Oh, get a room, you two.
Oh, shit! The police!
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On s'échappe?
Cops, perfect.
Monter dans la voiture de Rick.
The police! The police? Are they after us?
Oui, non, mais j'ai bien vu qu'il y avait la police.
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Wait.
Yeah, it'll be fine, don't worry.
Oh là là.
Décidément. Mais ça va pas, on est où là? Il m'a foncé dessus. Comment il fait pour me rattraper comme ça là? Ah mais je tourne en rond depuis avant en plus. Ah bah il était temps.
Oh, you lost some, thank God.
Nice work, Way.
Oopsie.
You're driving us home, right?
Of course. Well, unless Sandra has some other exciting plan.
I'm all excited out. But you can take me for a drive anytime.
I'll just take you up on that.
Oh, get a room, you two.
I think that's a bit later.
Oh, you are a confident bastard. I like that. But I'm promising nothing. You take me racing, and we'll see if you have what it takes.
What? This wasn't enough for you?
No, it was.
Oh, that's it, just a...
Décidément. Ah, il y a un truc pour prier. Je viens de voir.
That was fun, Way. Thanks.
Anytime.
Vivi, give Way my number and tell him he can take me out on a second date.
Sandra says you can take her on a second date if you want.
Yeah, I got that. Thanks.
Thanks for taking us out today.
It was my pleasure.
Et je viens de me rappeler, elle est où la meuf qu'on a vue au début là, du jeu? On l'a même emmenée au truc de karaté et tout. Je sais pas si c'est du karaté en fait. Un truc d'arts martiaux, purée. Y'a pas eu un SMS ou quoi? Non?
Way, it's Eliana. I need your help.
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
My friend Katushka, she's gone missing. Nobody's seen her in a week. Katushka doesn't have a visa. She's illegal. Girls like her go missing all the time.
She's
but
illegal.
Usually they don't have anywhere to go for help.
I'll check it out.
Would you? Oh, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Allez hop. Ah bah je disais qu'il y avait plus de mission de police. Bah si, il y en a de nouveau une. Là on est juste à côté de la mission normale. Il est où le parking? Ah il était là-haut. Over here.
Be sure to bring, you know.
You have a car in here? What? Don't go too crazy on this one, Way.
Get there fast. And in style on a Sita scooter.
See the forage in our new showroom and check out the table on our.
Ah, Way. 歡迎歡迎歡迎 Kind of you to join me. Care for some tea? 嚟嚟飲啲茶。
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smiley will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
But that can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. Dan Hai, he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tu Jin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. Dan Hai, anyone who indulges as he does, lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve. And now you will give him a nudge. Over the edge.
Okay. How?
He is an immensely superstitious man. 好迷信㗎, obsessed with feng shui. He cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad.
Salut Nacoholic. Ça va?
I like your style. I will.
Ah non, c'est Nacho Oleg.
Hey, what your problem, kid? Mrs. Chen want you to talk to me.
Hey, you broken?
She told me to tag along. Give you feng shui advice. Feng shui, ah. A lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah.
What's up?
I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and the supernatural. Want to make sure nobody I kill can hurt me. You know what I mean?
Goodbye, Mr. Chow. Have a nice day.
Right on schedule. Usually goes gambling at this time. Tu Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. How we get into that gate?
We'll find a way in. Come on.
Okay.
Have you done the dating part of the main story yet? No, I don't think so. If you talk about dating with a girl, we met on the drive course, je sais pas comment on dit. Ah ok. I think it's the next step, I think.
Is that you, baby?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
You sound different, baby. Are you on drugs again? I am not letting you in like that.
Some people have really complicated lives.
Why are you so late? If I smell some bitch's perfume on you, I swear to God.
You got it all wrong, baby. Some guy stole my car with my phone in it. No, I swear.
Oh, poor baby. I'll make it all better.
Trouver un moyen d'entrer dans la propriété privée. Est-ce que c'est par là? I don't think so. Ah si, c'est bon. Baratiner les gardes que vous croiserez, localiser le manoir. Double menton. Ok, ok. Because when I get that part, I wanna go through it quick. I want to any dating again. I can't remember of this mission. I think it's soon.
How's business? Really? What happened?
Taking a break from the import-export game.
How come?
Yeah, something went wrong.
Je vais pas passer par là-ci.
Alright, suit yourself.
Faire le tour.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
The boss's dog got out. We don't find it before he comes back, and heads will roll.
Oh shit, I haven't seen it.
Ok, c'est sûrement par là.
Wait here. I'll open the gate from the inside.
Par là, non? Over here. Easy.
Open from the back, kid. Old salty style. Wow, you're pretty talented.
What?
I say pretty talented.
Oh, okay, sure. You too, Salty.
Hey, you want me to kick the door down?
Hurry up, kid. I think I see a car.
Oh, il y a une statue là. Can we open the door?
What about those vases?
Good idea. Maybe just leave 4. 4 is an unlucky number because the word sounds the same as death in Chinese.
I'm afraid that.
Allez,
Try
hop.
something else? There's some pretty unoriginal ghosts.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, chouchou? Je reviens. I coming soon. J'aille mon chat. Il voulait des câlins. My cat wants hug. Vous voulez l'objet porte-bonheur. Ah bah c'est lui, non?
He really buys
Fallait
into this
juste aller plus loin.
hocus-pocus shit?
17. Le 11. Et ensuite le chiffre gagnant. Le 3. La cuisine pour qu'elle indique 4h44. Ok. Haha, trop marrant ça.
Yeah, this could work.
His feng shui is fucked now. Council faces all away. I help, but I'm
Oula.
Haila, my crotch isn't what it used to be.
Ça sert à quoi de déplacer le piano? J'ai pas compris.
I think we're done here. Old Two Chin's gonna freak. Either he thinks ghosts fucking with him, or he knows his home isn't secure. Somebody coming. We better go.
Ah,
Mr. Chow, is that you?
c'est ma pizza que j'ai commandée. Oula, c'est un peu bugué. Hein. Cachez-vous derrière le canapé. C'est vrai qu'on va pas me voir comme ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il dit? Il y a personne ici, monsieur. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Big Mac frites Coca, s'il vous plaît. Supplément 4 nuggets.
They're gone. Come on.
Get ya. Two Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up.
Ah, fuck. Faut qu'on aille désactiver la petite caméra là.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Il est pas tombé? Ah non, j'ai cru qu'il était tombé.
So, why do they call you old salty crab?
On va tester le bon vieux 1, 2, 3, 4 comme d'habitude.
He told me I could eat for free at his restaurant until he paid.
Oula.
That way,
2,
I wouldn't cut off his
3,
hand like I normally
4,
would.
5.
Crab was the most expensive thing on the menu.
Je suis pas sûre, je pense que c'est comme ça.
About it. Oh shit, I think he's home. Get down.
Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. 我從來未試過咁㗎。Why didn't you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Fucking rodents, all of you.
Ouais, toute sale sa chemise. Gros dégueulasse. Il est tout dégueulasse. Mais lave ta chemise, frère. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think.
J'ai besoin de laver ma chemise, laissez-moi.
Wait, God left their car. Let's check it.
Oh, on va prendre cette voiture?
Let's take the God's car.
Nice.
Ah, damn well.
Trop bien.
Always wanted
Get myself one of these.
One of these? Really?
Ah, yeah, okay, bad idea.
You're a strange guy.
Je peux passer par là, non? Ouais.
Hurry up! I've been waiting for you for hours. Nice work, kid. You got your salty style.
Hi comes in. See you later, kid.
C'est ya.
Old salty style.
Ah oui, on a des améliorations encore.
Hello,
Wei,
Miss Chang. How are you?
Uncle Po. He's dead. We're making arrangements for the funeral.
Things could get,
Complicated. Yes. I'll be in touch.
of course. Whatever you need.
Eh ben, ça fait beaucoup de quêtes là, j'ai envie de faire ça. Jouer de Tang. Oui, bonsoir monsieur, qu'y a-t-il?
Who are you?
Dr. Tang, I built tech for the Sun On Yi. I'm trying out a new tracking device. Can you give me a hand?
What do you need?
I put the tracker on a test package. I need you to see if you can follow it as it flows down the sewers.
The sewers?
Yeah, if it works, we can move drug and guns this way.
Yeah, sure.
No need to carry anything that will get you arrested. You just drop in wherever you are and pick it up where you need it.
Monter dans la fourgonnette. Alors, on va monter dans la fourgonnette. Elle est où la fourgonnette? Suivez de près la balise de localisation. Ok. J'avais pas capté ce qu'il fallait faire. Sorry. C'est pas des routes ici, hein. Je sais pas s'ils sont au courant. Je suis contente de la prendre, c'était mise à jour. C'est ici? Voilà. Allez hop, on repart. Je sais plus où on en était. Ah oui, on devait aider quelqu'un avec la camionnette. Si on arrive à finir, quoi.
Dr. Tang, I followed the package. The transmitter stopped moving.
Excellent. Thanks, Wei. This show our tech could really work.
Eh bah super. Tenue de touriste, j'ai eu. Alors. Est-ce que vu qu'on est dans le coin, on n'irait pas faire rage au volant? Pendant qu'on y est. Mais il est tout le temps là, lui, Tang.
Doc, what's up?
We
have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Well, I designed this car for one of our wealthiest industrialists. It's a very special car.
So why do I have the feeling this story doesn't have a good ending?
It wouldn't exactly pass customs, so I had the parts shipped here separately. I figured nobody would notice.
And?
Somebody noticed. Actually, it feels like everybody noticed. The base model arrives today, and every gang in Hong Kong's out to get it.
Alright, let me guess. If 18K or one of the other triads builds this car...
Catastrophe. I did take some precautions, though. I brought in a bunch of look-alike cars as decoys. Will you help me?
Alright, well how do I tell the real ones from the decoys?
It's the one that doesn't blow up when you drive it.
Well, that's just great. That's just fucking great, Doc.
Intercepter le convoi. J'ai envie de prendre cette voiture, elle m'a l'air rapide. Ouais. Ouais. Si j'avais su, j'aurais pris la petite juste à côté. Je me suis dit, elle a un truc... comment on appelle ça, le truc derrière, là, de kéké, là? Un aileron. Je me suis dit, ça doit être rapide. Eh ben non. Ça va aussi vite qu'une 206. Oula. Oula. Poussez-vous les fashion. Trouvez la DZS 90. D'accord. Comment je suis censée savoir à quoi ça ressemble? Putain. J'ai vraiment pas pris la bonne voiture. Parce qu'elle tourne vraiment pas la voiture. Elle est lente et elle tombe pas. C'est ça ou pas? Je parie que c'est celle en tête de... En tête de liste, quoi.
Come on, come on.
Sorry, sorry. Oh bah écoute, ouais, j'ai pas le choix en fait parce qu'elle va exploser sinon. C'est toujours pas celle-ci. Et ben. Bon bah ça sera pas celle-là, ça sera celle-là. Oula. Ah non, c'est fait exprès. Oh, ok. Oh, j'attends, elle va arriver. Elle arrive. Avance, frère.
Sorry I put you out, Wei. What? I've installed a cell and radio scanner. You should be able to pick up the signals of anyone chasing you. It's a bit wonky though, so I really can't tell you what else you'll get.
Elle est pas si rapide que ça, hein. Elle fait beaucoup de bruit, certes, mais... Oula.
The next version will have all leather in here.
En plus, elle fume déjà de ouf la voiture.
Import restrictions.
Faut que je fasse
Technically,
attention.
we're not supposed to send this to China.
We're not in China. We're in Hong Kong.
You want to make that point to the U.S. State Department? Also, Special Branch doesn't want the mainland to know.
Wait a minute. You guys are worried about China? I thought the point was...
Theoretically, they leave us alone. But if they like the car enough, who knows? Best if nobody knows we have it. Or if they do know, they can claim...
Bon, ça c'est fait. Est-ce qu'on n'irait pas faire la petite statue là? Et après on continue les petites quêtes. Petite mission principale. Après, je vais pas mentir, elle se conduit plutôt bien la voiture. Donc ça, c'est déjà pas mal, c'est un bon point. Okay.
I found one of your statues.
The ox. You have done well. Thank you for the statue. It seems as though they're all finding their way back to me now. Perhaps that was their destiny from the start.
What does that make me?
Oh, I have no doubt your return to Hong Kong will affect many destinies. Not least your own.
Yeah?
Surely. That's why you came in the first place.
Maybe I just wanted to move back.
Maybe. And maybe I decided to break my own rule and train a known triad for no reason whatsoever. But I think we both know different. What would you like to learn?
Bah, je sais pas. On va faire du carré aujourd'hui, on va faire du carré. Ah ça je le fais souvent en plus. Ce coup là. Il est fou lui. Là, il fait trop le malin. Ça c'est fait. Ok. Un peu sauvegarder, histoire de. Alors, où est la prochaine quête? Tout là-bas. Bon, c'est parti. Oula! Quand vous tournez, faut pas tourner pendant 1 heure. Hein. Je pensais qu'il allait tourner, que j'avais le temps de passer. Enfin, qu'il avait le temps de tourner et que je passais, mais non. Il avait toujours pas fini de tourner quand je suis arrivée. Ouais, je suis pas hyper fan de la voiture, hein. Franchement, même l'esthétique, c'est pas ouf. J'ai vraiment l'impression d'aller plus vite avec l'autre voiture de classe A. Faudrait que je teste.
Way! How'd the date with Vivian go? You wanna be her new boyfriend? Relax, Ricky. I'm just making a joke. So, wait. You know Fifi Meow?
You mean the movie star? Yeah, I heard of her. What's she doing these days?
She's doing another movie in the Stripper Assassin franchise. But I want the role for Vivian.
That's a great idea. That would be huge for Vivian.
Yeah, it would help her profile.
Aren't you going with Vivian to the release party?
Yeah, you're right. Good call.
We're releasing the track that King produced tonight. You have a great time. You and the hottest star in Hong Kong. Go, have fun. You know Big Smile Lee?
Oh yeah, we've crossed paths.
Good. We've got a joint venture making porn. He brings the girls, I bring the production and distribution.
That's good money, I bet.
Yeah, if Vivian pisses me off, that's where she'll end up. But there's more money if I keep her a star. I just have to make sure she doesn't flake out on me. I want you to put some cameras up in an apartment. I need it done right away. Can you organize that for me?
Yeah, of course, Sonny. I'll take care of it for you.
Okay. Here's the address. There's a box of stuff over by the elevator.
Excuse me, sir. I don't think I've seen you before.
I'm a location scout. Could you let me have a look around?
Only residents and their guests are allowed, sir.
I'll be quick. I'll make it worth your while.
No, it's not gonna happen, sir. You have to leave the premises, sir.
Ah, j'avais désactivé mon micro, donc je parlais dans le vent. Sorry. Sorry, sorry. J'avais pas vu que c'était un grillage, je vais essayer de passer par là. Alors, par où on passe? Par là. Il y a un petit drap là qui indique qu'on peut y passer. Ok. Est-ce que lui il faut le... Ah voilà, il a 3 HP, donc c'était cool, c'était rapide. Entrer dans l'appartement. D'abord on va prier. Bah écoute, pourquoi pas, ma foi. Petite statue en plus. One, two, three, four. 2, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Ah, pardon. 8, 9. Et 2, logiquement. C'est quoi, c'est un chien ou quoi, là? Micro, il est où le micro? Where is the mic?
Shit!
That could be really bad.
Yeah, I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it.
But he knows we have I'm doing a tour for those county office.
Ok. Monter à l'étage. Putain, c'est serré, hein, le chrono est serré.
You look beyond beautiful tonight. Every time I looked at you, all I could think was, I can't believe she's real.
Oh, Ricky.
She's too perfect to be real. Seriously. Every woman wanted to be you, and every guy wanted to. Well, you know.
Oh, Ricky, you have such a one-track mind.
Shit. Fucking Sonny.
Oh, yes. You know I like that.
Okay, but let me go freshen up first.
Whatever you want, baby. I'm gonna go have a smoke.
Placer une caméra dans la chambre. Ne vous faites pas repérer.
Yeah, hey, Sonny. Nah, everything went great. Yeah. Yeah, he was there. He was impressed. Yeah, you should have seen him.
Faut aller où? Pour retourner en haut? Tu te fous de moi.
Exactly.
Wait! What's going on?
Non, vous avez dû vous tromper, madame. On me fait descendre les escaliers, on me dit remonte les escaliers. Et placer une caméra dans la chambre. Ah, mais c'est ici. Yeah.
Yeah, he was there. He was impressed. Yeah, you should have seen him.
Tu crois que je me fais repérer si je fais ça?
Exactly. Fucking second rate.
Je vais pas bouger là?
I don't know what his problem is, but we don't have to worry about it. Oh, and now that you mention it, maybe I should check up on her.
Pourquoi il y a un chien qui aboie là? Je comprends rien. Sauter du balcon. Oh putain, le con, hein, il s'est ramassé comme une merde. Bon, j'ai pas le choix. Hein. Oula. On est pas mal.
There you are. Are you fucking crazy? What the hell were you thinking of wrestling Jackie, huh?
Oh, I thought we were past all that. I just wanted to congratulate you on that business with Tang. Good riddance. Now, what about Sonny Woe? Anything new there?
What about Jackie, huh? Fuck, Pendrew. Are you deaf?
No, Officer Shen, I'm not. But you clearly have forgotten who you're speaking to. Wei, forget about Jackie a moment. Whatever we can get to stick to Sonny Woe will obviously hurt Big Smile Lee. And we both want that.
Fine. Sonny had me put up a hidden camera in Vivian Lou's bedroom. She and Ricky nearly caught me.
He always did have a reputation with that sort of thing. Think you could get a copy of that?
Are you fucking kidding me? She's got nothing to do with this shit.
This could be the piece that we're missing on Sonny. Can you get it?
All right. But I want Jackie in return. Cut him loose.
Very well. Get me the video and he walks.
I'll get it.
All right, I have to go. Get me that video as soon as you can.
Ouais, t'inquiète. Aller à la planque de centrale. Bon, je vais choisir un autre véhicule parce que la moto ne me plaît pas du tout. Du tout. Celle-ci là. J'aime bien celle-là. Oupsie. Faut que j'utilise l'ordinateur. Je joue à League of Legends. Pas du tout.
All right, Pendrew. I hope you're happy. Vivian? What are you doing here?
Well, Sonny says you've been really helpful to him. And to me. And I just wanted to thank you.
Vivian, no. Wait. What's this about?
Nothing. I just can't. God, Sonny's gonna kill me.
Wait, Sonny sent you here?
Yeah, don't you know that?
Know what?
I can't do it anymore. Sonny will just have to get another girl.
Look, Vivian, you don't need to. Not with me, okay?
So, you mean you're okay with it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wow, you're the first guy who's ever, I mean... Thanks, Wei.
Je comprends plus rien, gars. Je ne comprends plus rien, gars. Je serai au centre commercial de Central. C'est bien pour toi. Cool ta vie.
Wei, did you bring the video?
And Jackie?
Done. This should be all I need to put Sonny Woe away for a long time. And with Uncle Po dead...
Wait, how'd you hear about that?
Good news travels fast. I'll have Raymond arrange your debriefing. Congratulations, Wei.
What are you saying?
I'm saying it's over. You've done your job. It's time to come in.
It's not over. Not yet.
Wei, the Sun On Yi is seriously crippled. Your mission was an unbelievable success. I must admit, I thought you'd be happy.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Poe. I can't come in now. I'm not finished yet.
I understand your personal reasons for doing this, your history with the Sun On Yi. This is why I selected you. But you've done more than enough. Those are my orders.
Fuck your orders, and fuck you too, Penju. I came on to take down the Sun On Yi, not to shuffle the deck.
Shen, you're making a mistake. Wei, the Sun On Yi is seriously crippled.
Big Smiley will take over. It'll be even worse than it was under Poe.
Shen, you're making a mistake.
Fuck your orders, and fuck you too, Penju.
Ça va pas trop bien, je crois. Pas trop, pas trop. Ok, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Ah, on m'appelle.
Wei?
Oui?
What do you want?
Your friend Jackie has agreed he'll be walking out of jail in a few minutes. Just thought you might want to be there to pick him up.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
C'est cool ça. Notre pote qui sort de prison. Cool, cool, cool. Allez. Tac. Mais juste à côté. C'est par où? C'est par là?
Wei, good to see you, man. Thanks for picking me up. You joking? Of course I'm gonna pick you up. You're my boy. You okay, Jackie? They treat you all right in there?
Yeah, I'm okay. I got lucky. Someone convinced Ming's brother to say it was alone. Was that you?
Nah, I wish I thought of it, though.
Some lady cop wanted me to turn snitch. Tang something or another. I told her she could go fuck herself.
Smooth. You heard about Uncle Po, though, right?
Yeah. When's the funeral?
Soon. We should go get ready. Let's go.
Man, I can't go to a funeral like this. I look like shit. I need a suit or something.
All right, we'll pick something up.
Allez, viens.
Hey, so what's the deal with that cop? You know, the lady.
Said she wanted to help me turn my life around or something. Said if I started snitching, she'd help me out. Anyways, man, forget that.
On cherche un petit costume. Let's go.
These are the latest. Perfect for you. Elegant, but not too flashy.
You know, I never thought I'd be able to afford a suit from a place like that. It sucks that I have to get it from.
Ouais, c'est mieux. Il est mieux le costume là, effectivement. Je suis assez d'accord. Laisse-moi me faire ma manœuvre.
What happened to Uncle Poe?
Don't think anyone knows yet.
Yeah, I bet it was the 18K. We gotta make those assholes pay to find them, you know?
If it was, it would mean a war.
Shit. It used to be I'd think that was cool. Now,
Oh, shit!
there's one thing about prison. It gives you too much time to think.
Yeah?
I don't know about this life anymore, you know? I mean, it's not like I'm cut out to do anything else, but sitting in there, shit. Now we're going to a funeral. There's the future in this shit, you know what I mean?
I do. Been thinking about that myself lately.
Ah non, c'était pas par là. Si, ça marche aussi par là, non? Oh la vache. La conduite est irréprochable.
What? Bullshit? Just bullshit?
Yeah. Right.
N'empêche, il y a beaucoup de trucs qui me font penser. Le jeu, il me fait vraiment penser à toute l'ambiance et tout, à Canis Canem Bully. Je sais pas pourquoi. Peut-être le doublage. Je trouve qu'il y a beaucoup de doublage, on dirait les mêmes voix. Et là, la musique d'ambiance, là, ça me fait penser à Canis Canem Pareil, quand on se fight, dans les fights, il y a des trucs de bully qu'on retrouve. On passe par là, non?
Naya, what the fuck are the 18K doing here?
They're here to make a show. Or maybe to start a fight. All the Sun On Yi leaders are here in one place. I don't think they expected the police to be here, though.
Never been happy to see the cops before.
Hey, where the fuck is Sonny?
They're fucking arresting him! Sonny Woe, I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time.
Yes, and it will make you look so good to your bosses. They might even pat you on the head like an obedient dog. Right up until the time that I walk. Again.
Not this time, Sonny. Come on. Don't get your fancy shoes all muddy. Let's go, boys. We got what we came for. We're leaving.
Hey, you! You can't do this here. It's a fucking funeral. Goddamn police! Why don't you show some fucking respect, huh?
Why don't you? The 18K are about to do this city a great public service. And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
The cops are leaving? What the fuck? The 18K are going
This is gonna get bloody. Come on.
Shit, here they come, man! Show these motherfuckers what it means to be Sun On Yi! Oh shit!
Oh shit! Ça, c'est qu'ils font mal, hein, ceux-là. Keep going. Merde, pourquoi ça prend pas l'arme?
together, come on!
Oh, oh. Power Ranger. Non. Oula.
Stay here, I'm gonna flank them down.
Faut le contourner dans l'autre sens.
Fucking Pendrew.
Wow, c'est vraiment moche, hein.
Move up, I got you covered.
Je peux prendre l'arme? Oui, quand même pas. Je me suis ratée. En plus, si ça touche pas la cible, c'est hyper lent à exploser.
Parking lot!
Attendez, je récupère la statue. C'est El Craignos là, non? Oula. Attendez. Pourquoi ils sont autant encore? J'ai presque plus de munitions. Il est caché où l'autre? Il est où lui? Bon, ça c'est fait.
Look, we can't let this go on. We have to deal with 18K and with the police.
We need a plan. Where's Tu Chin?
He's in seclusion.
Seclusion? He's in a hotel somewhere, riding the white tiger, that fat fuck!
Perhaps you are right, Brother Lee. With Uncle Po gone, we now need a chairman who can lead us through this.
Finally, you're making some sense, Chuck. I am the strongest. I am the most feared. I say I should be chairman.
Perhaps temporarily. We should go
Wait! We need to have a proper election. That is the way it has always been done. It's the Sun On Yi Code.
Ha! You, a woman, talking of code. You should never have been allowed to be Sun On Yi.
But I was, and my contribution to this organization have been significant.
With respect, I have to agree with Sister J. We need to restore stability and order, and that means clear thinking. We should follow our tradition.
Our tradition? You've only been on Sun On Yi for a short time. What do you know about our tradition?
Nevertheless, Sister Jiang and Brother Shen are correct.
Fine. We'll have the fucking election. But I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On Yi.
Everyone has a vote. Our tradition allows...
What's the tradition? Ricky! It's out.
Ça s'est bien passé, non?
fucking respect!
Why don't you? And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
Il s'est passé un truc important. Retrouve-nous au North Point dès que tu es peu. Ok, et ben je vais m'arrêter là. Je pensais vraiment pas que le jeu était aussi long et je suis vraiment surprise dans mon bon sens. Du coup, franchement, c'était un super jeu. Je me souviens même plus. Du coup, on continuera ça demain.